In front of me is REALME C75 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Firstly, open an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background like that. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select split screen. Now tap on the second app you wanna use and enjoy operating in both at once. To resize them, hold this line and drag it. You can use the same one and drag it all the way down or all the way up in order to close split screen and leave one of your apps opened in full screen view. You can also close split screen fully by going back into the background and swiping it like you would any other app. If you want to, you can also click on those three dots available at the top of each app and then check out all of those options. Switch app. You can switch your current one you picked with a different one. Expand if you want to use this one in full screen view for a minute and then go back to split. And full screen if you want to close one of them and use the second one in full screen view instantly. You can also click on close if you want to close chosen app. Last trick about split screen is clicking on the line you are using to resize them or close split screen. Thanks to this line, you can swap sides of your apps, or if you use any two apps in split screen quite often, you could click on Save as App Group, then close split screen and look for a shortcut on your home screen. Every time you will click on it, both of your chosen app will open in split screen view instantly. You can always get rid of your shortcut by holding it and hitting remove, then confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!